Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Video Class 6th, and we have solved few examples of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division from fractions. At the starting of the fraction chapter, I had already cleared that we are going to just see addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. Okay, so we have seen that subtraction comes under simplification also, since questions are different, but you by the sign you can understand whether it is division or subtraction. Okay, so what so that is cleared. So whatever in exam, I'm telling about exam from now because your exams will be in first week of Feb. Okay, your unit 2 will be in first week of Feb. First week means here and there, like it can be on 5th, it can be of 8th. Okay, means just be prepared, it will be around first week of February, plus here and plus there. Okay, so just see. So in exam, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division will only come, and addition 2 or 3, subtraction 2 fractions, then multiplication and division as per the examples which I have given. Okay, numbers may change but pattern will be same. So now I want you all to see BODMAS. Okay, BODMAS is, first you must have studied DMAS and now BODMAS. Okay, just basic I'll explain so that when you go in higher classes, at least you should know the verbal meaning of, literal meaning of BODMAS. What does it mean? You can see BODMAS is a short form of, that is acronym or abbreviation formed by taking the initial letters of the 6 operations: B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. Bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction means whenever one simplification example will come, you have to solve it according to this sequence. If bracket is there, solve the first bracket. In substitution lesson we have done this, if you remember. Only same thing you have to do, but in case of fraction. I hope you remember substitution chapter, in which there were like removal of brackets. So same thing here also. Okay, there was removal of bracket, but addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Here also almost the same thing. So first you will clear the bracket, whatever is inside the bracket you will solve that word, whether it is multiplication, division, addition and or subtraction. Then off means multiplication. Off means multiplication. Then division, after removing the bracket or solving the bracket, this of multiplication, then go for division, then multiplication, addition and at last subtraction. Okay, so while simplifying an expression involving 3 or more operations, the order of operations must be same as in order of letters used in BODMAS. Okay, I have just taken 2 examples so that at least little you will understand. 2 integer 1 by 4 divided by 2 by 7 of 1 integer 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 3. So in this case you will see, first thing is we have to solve bracket, but here there is no bracket, so we have to skip that. Okay, then next thing, O means off. So is there any off? Yes. So first solve this. Off means instead of off put multiplication. Okay, instead of off put multiplication. So 9 by 4, I have solved this also simultaneously, but at the starting you people go with only one operation. Okay, now I am used to all these things, so I have done 2 operations simultaneously, but you people please don't do it. Okay, of multiply, of become multiplication. So 9 by 4, you can keep 2 by 7 or directly you can solve 7 by 2. Of becomes multiply. For you this should be the first step actually, removal of off. So off becomes, off means multiplication. So 9 by 4, 7 by 2 multiplied by 7 by 2, this I have changed. Of multiplication 4 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 3. Okay, means I have to solve here of first. So I have solved here of, then all became multiplication, you can see. So after this became multiplication, what you have to do this multiplied by horizontally, this multiplied by this multiplied by this multiplied by this upon this denominators. Multiplication of all the numerators divided by multiplication of all the denominators. So see, there are two ways, children. First, you can either multiply all the numerators, 9 sevens are, then whatever comes product multiplied by 8. Okay, so like that you can multiply, or you just arrange it this way. If cancellation or division is happening, you do that. Otherwise, if you are confused with this, just multiply all the numerators, multiply all the denominators, bring it to lowest term, convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, that you can do. So here I have done. You can see 2 with 2 gets cancelled. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 1s are, 4 1s are 4 1s are. So what is left is 1 7 1. Nothing is there means 1. Here 1 1, this 1 1 1 and 1 means 1 multiplied by 7 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. Okay, and 1 multiplied by 1 1, 1 multiplied by 1 1, 1 multiplied by 1 1. So 7 upon 1, which means 7 upon 1 means 7 only. Okay, let's take the other example. Let's take the other example. 1 by 4 of 2, 2 by 2 integer, 2 by 7 divided by 3 by 5. As I told you first, that is, bracket is not there, so just skip it. Off means multiplication. So wherever off is there, put multiplication sign. So 1 by 4 multiplied by 16 by 7 divided by 3 by 5. Then after what you have to do is D. D means division. So now I'll change this. Then after this I'll change this. Okay. So what I can, there are again two choices. I can just, since it is multiplication and after division I have to do multiplication. So 16. So I have to solve this first. 16 divided by 7 divided by 3 by 5. So division becomes multiplication, right? Now all our division is over. Now what is next is multiplication. So multiplication. So as I told you, multiply all the numerators, multiply all the denominators, bring it to lowest form and convert it in mixed form if it is improper. Otherwise, follow this. So 4 1s are 4 4s are, 1 4s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 1 7s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Okay. So this way you can use BODMAS. BODMAS won't come for exam. Only addition, subtraction, multiplication and division only. Okay, and I had told that I'll give you some subtraction sums, subtraction examples, subtraction of fractions. Okay, so this is the homework. I forgot that day, so please solve this. Five by 8 minus 3 by 10. Okay, so these three examples you can take. You can do cross multiplication or you can remove. What you can remove? LCM. Okay, so please solve these two. And so happy new year. Today is new year and let's be positive about everything, about vaccine, about corona, that it will be totally eradicated this year. Also vaccine, we have to be very very particular and positive that we'll sure get vaccine and we'll take it. Okay, and second thing, let's pray that school should start. Okay, so that we all can meet. So thank you so much and please take care.